Today we are launching a beta version for Realwear HMT-1 using POINTR Easy Remote Support. The idea of this tutorial is to go through the basic registration, what kind of voice commands we need, and then we will make a test call to see how to utilize the HMT-1. So let's launch POINTR. My programs, POINTR, and once the application launches, the first thing we need to do is provide the country code for registration. Country code, and now we see the HMT-1's own input interface, and we have to use a specific commands, for example symbol plus, and then we proceed with the number itself. Number 358, accept. Then we have to also provide the phone number, and again it provides the HMT-1's own interface. Number 040, number 357, number 32, number 72, accept. So this is the best way how you do a long sequence of commands. You split them into a meaningful chunks so that the system accepts it very easily. And then we proceed in the registration, accept, and it will provide us with the SIM pin code input. Okay, let's proceed with the pin code. SMS code, again HMT-1 own interface. We say number 95, number 136, and accept. And finally for the submission, again accept. And we have been logged in. So this is all you need to do to register your HMT-1 device. So now that we have registered POINTR, let's make a test call. Start, contacts, recent, search, clear text, letter S, accept, next contact, previous contact, call. Okay, and the call is established to my iPhone. I take the call, and now we start to stream from the HMT-1 to the iPhone, and we have all the basic commands available, such as pause, play to control the live stream, and also additionally we can use the swap command to change the streaming direction. Swap, swap. So that's how the swap command works. Then once we are done with our collaboration, we can end call, shut down POINTR, and that's it. So this is a basic introduction on the voice commands. Something to be realized for the beta version is that the UI doesn't have all the tooltips, so you have to memorize all the different commands, but at least this gets you started with HMT-1. Thank you very much.